Let's get into this video because there is no need for a long intro, guys. I mean, if you love a clean home, you guys watch my videos all the time, and a lot of people be like, Omabel, how come your home is so clean all the time? And the truth is, guys, I'm just naturally that kind of person. You know, I love everywhere being clean, even with kids or without kids. So I'm gonna show you guys like few things, few gadgets I use. Like, I feel like these are my ride or die, or ride and die, or however you say it, guys, because these are gadgets I use every single day that makes, you know, keeping my home clean very, very easy, very, very simple. Of course, like I always tell you guys, an easy way to make sure your home is always clean is to clean as you go. There's no need of procrastinating or like shifting chores, you know, oh, I'm gonna do it today, or I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Just go ahead and do it immediately. It will save you like having to procrastinate at the long run. But of course, guys, all these things are also from Amazon. So the first thing is this steam cleaner, guys. Absolutely, like I can't tell you guys how much of a need or a must this gadget is. Like I believe every home should have this, whether you have kids or not, guys. And I'm not sure if you guys notice, but when it comes to the refrigerator, especially when you have kids, there are bound to be like maybe juice spills, milk spills, so many things, you know, in the fridge. And I always find it very, very difficult whenever I'm using a regular sponge to clean my refrigerator. But going in with this steam, you know, machine, it helps dissolve anything inside your refrigerator. I don't even know, because of the fact that this machine, as you guys saw, I added water to it, so it produces a hot steam. And when you go ahead and put the hot steam on any, you know, anything, any spill, you know, any dried up juice, anything, guys, it just like automatically dissolves it. So a job that is supposed to, let's say your refrigerator is supposed to take you maybe 20 minutes to do, with this machine right here, it takes literally maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes at most, guys. That is how powerful using a steam machine is. Absolutely love it, and it's so affordable. Everything here, like I said, it's from Amazon.
You wanna leave behind, get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away.
Also, I added a little bit of Dawn soap. You can add it into the machine, or you can just maybe sprinkle it on the towel part of the machine. You guys saw, like when I was using the machine to dissolve, you know, stuck on dirt in my refrigerator, you could see the towel part of the machine. So I just sprinkle a little bit of my Dawn soap, or any dishwashing soap, it's gonna work, guys. Just sprinkle it on it, and then you go ahead to use it to clean whatever it is. Some people use just water, but I have this thing about something for me. It makes it feel like, oh, it's doing a deep clean basically. So I love to sprinkle a little bit of soap. And of course, this machine is not just for your refrigerator. You can use this machine for your countertops. You guys, sometimes we see like spots or dirt on the countertop, stuck on dirt, that probably when you use a regular sponge to clean it, it's not going to come out. So using this steam machine, it just makes it so much easier to take off any and every dirt from your countertops, from your stove hood, from your stove, from your baseboard, any and everything, guys. Like when I mean any and everything, I mean any and everything. You can also, and another amazing thing is that this machine comes with different parts. So as you guys can see, I'm using this like very nice flat part, right? But it comes with other like different attachments. So let's say I want to clean, let's say, the grooves, you know, in my bathroom. I can just switch it to the smaller I should have showed you guys, the other parts of this machine. But yeah, just this machine alone, you can use it to clean every and anything that has a stock on dirt to it. So your bathroom towels, your bathroom floor, your tub, any and everything, like I said.
Before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? It's a remedy, 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 yeah.
Honestly, guys, sometimes I do wonder how our mothers survived without all these machines. Like, I'm a firm believer in, getting anything that makes homemaking easier for you. Like, all these gadgets, they make like just having a clean home, having like if you're into homemaking, I'm just, I love the fact that I'm able to, keep my home in order. If you love homemaking, guys, having all those gadgets that makes it so much easier is like something I can't even explain. I'd have different machines, guys, but of course, like I said, I'm just gonna kind of share a few of the ones I know that are like my hard or die. They are my every single day must have. But yeah, I have different types of machines, guys, and sometimes when I'm using them, I always kind of go back in time when all these machines wasn't available, and I always ask myself, like, can you guys, like, sometimes do you imagine the stress before washing machine, how our mothers and grandmothers had to do laundry with their hands, and I mean laundry, like laundry for everybody in the family. Just can you, sometimes I imagine that, like piles and piles and piles of laundry, they have to sit down. Of course, I experienced a little bit of that during my young adult age, because I grew up in Nigeria right before washing machine and things like that. And I remember on Saturdays how you will gather everybody's clothes, have a large basin, you fill it with your detergent, pour water, and then one by one, guys, you're just going to use your hand to wash the clothes. And by the time you are done, guys, your hands, your fingers, everything is, oh my gosh, I don't even remember. I don't want to relieve, like, that experience. So yeah, sometimes I'm just so thankful for the fact that we have all these gadgets that that makes cleaning now, like cleaning is so much easier now. Anyways, you guys, so next is my rug machine. This is another gadget I can't live without, guys, because of the fact that, especially if you have like rugs and carpets, guys, as you guys can see, we have rugs upstairs. Downstairs is all hardwood floor, but up here we have carpets, because of the fact that, of course, you guys know we're in the East Coast. It gets really, really cold when it's fall and winter. So I noticed that when you have hardwood floors, like, I don't know, for some reason it gets colder on those areas, but then when you have carpet and rugs kind of, they retain heat. So we're still contemplating. I told hubby, I said I want us to change everything to hardwood floor, but when he made a mention of that, I was like, that's so true, because downstairs is always colder than upstairs, especially during the winter season, guys. So we're still contemplating on that. But anyways, you guys, if you're the type of person that have rugs and carpets, having this rug machine is so, like, I can't even stress how important this is. The reason being that, of course, with your rugs and your carpets, you want to always make sure that you clean them, because of course they are not like hardwood floors that you can just put your water, mop, and detergent inside a mopping bucket and mop. With this one right here, it's not something you mop all the time. So using this machine just to go over it, as you guys can see, look, like it's taking out all the dirt, all the junk, all the yunk from my carpet, you know, from my rug, and you guys are going to be amazed at the water that came off, you know, off of this machine. This is something I love to do at least once a month or once. Look at that, guys. Of course, I do it in 2 sets. I clean and then I put another water and go ahead and rinse. So it's like I deep clean my rugs and my carpet once in a month or once in 6 weeks, and they do, like, that machine does an amazing job in making sure that my rugs are always clean, because rugs are known to retain a lot of dust, a lot of allergies and things like that. So making sure you clean your rug maybe every six weeks or every once in a month is very, very important. And let's take a moment and talk about this little green machine, guys. I mean, if you watch my videos, you know I've had this machine for years. I actually have this one from Basil and one from Hoover, but for some reason this one from Basil does such an amazing job, you know, in getting rid of any spot. It's kind of a spot cleaning machine, guys. So let's say there is a spill on your couch. This is also another secret of mine, because a lot of people ask me how come I have light colored furnitures even with kids, and this is the secret, guys. But you guys can see that blue spot right there, right? Sometime, I believe 2 weeks ago, we had a visitor come over, and when, you know, they left, I realized that where they sat, it looked as if like the trouser, I don't know, like their jean, their denim trouser they wore, it washes. So because of the fact that my couch is white, so the color from their jean ran on my couch. Oh my gosh, I almost pulled my head out, guys. I couldn't wait to get that out. So this is where this, you know, this little green machine comes in, because as you guys can see, I just went around it, went in between, you know, where the 2 couches joined, and it got rid of that like immediately. I was so happy, because I was like, oh my gosh, like when I saw that stain, you know, when I saw the transfer of color, I was so sad. But yeah, as you guys can see, my little green machine did an amazing job. And of course, my last but not least is microfiber cloth. I remember before microfiber cloth came in, right, we used to use any cloth, especially wiping down mirrors and things like that, and they would always leave like smear and, you know, residues on surfaces. But with a microfiber cloth, it just does an amazing job. It sucks up any moisture and leaves your surfaces very, very clean. As you guys can see with that mirror, it's very clean. And also, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean out my table, and that's basically it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course everything is gonna be linked in my description box, so definitely try and check that out. Until my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.